This video provides an overview of the FDA approval for PALSONIFY, Paltusotine, a new oral standard for acromegaly management, approved in September 2025. PALSONIFY received orphan drug designation. It was approved on September 25, 2025, as a new molecular entity. It is an oral SST2 agonist, a non-peptide small molecule, indicated for acromegaly treatment, particularly for those with an inadequate response to or who are ineligible for surgery. Acromegaly involves chronic hypersecretion of GH and IGF-1, leading to serious health issues and increased mortality. The standard of care, injectable somatostatin analogs, comes with administration challenges. PALSONIFY offers a convenient once-daily oral alternative, addressing patient pain points like injection site pain and administration fatigue. Paltusotine is a non-peptide small molecule that selectively targets and binds to somatostatin receptor 2, SST2, on pituitary somatotrophs. This action inhibits CAMP accumulation, suppressing GH secretion, and ultimately reducing hepatic IGF-1 production. Two pivotal Phase 3 clinical trials supported PALSONIFY's approval. Study 1 involved 111 treatment-naive or biochemically uncontrolled patients over 24 weeks. Study 2 involved 58 patients previously controlled on injectables over 36 weeks, evaluating switch and maintenance. In Study 1, the primary endpoint of IGF-1 normalization was achieved in 56% of patients receiving PALSONIFY compared to 5% with placebo. This resulted in a significant treatment difference of 50.3%, with a p-value of less than 0.0001. Study 2 demonstrated PALSONIFY's efficacy as a maintenance therapy. 83% of patients maintained IGF-1 control at week 36, compared to 3% on placebo. This showed a significant treatment difference of 79.8%, with a p-value of less than 0.0001. Common adverse reactions in Study 1 with PALSONIFY included diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, sinus bradycardia, and hyperglycemia. Diarrhea was the most frequent, occurring in 33% of patients. An ocular safety signal, corneal dystrophy, was observed in animal studies. The FDA mandates 5 years of enhanced pharmacovigilance to monitor for macular degeneration and retinal events. Class effects include hepatobiliary, glucose, cardiac, and endocrine abnormalities. The standard regimen starts at 40 milligrams orally once daily, titrating to 60 milligrams after 2 to 4 weeks. Critical fasting rules require administration 6 hours post-meal and 1 hour pre-meal, as food significantly decreases bioavailability. When comparing PALSONIFY to injectables, PALSONIFY offers a once-daily oral route with high selectivity for SST2. While it has dietary restrictions and class effects with an ocular signal, it eliminates the injection burden associated with monthly injectable therapies. In conclusion, PALSONIFY is a new paradigm in acromegaly management, demonstrating robust efficacy and eliminating injection burden. Careful patient selection for fasting adherence and ocular monitoring is crucial. It serves as a potent first-line medical therapy or maintenance option.